Hello, Jennifer.
Hi.
What's going on?
No, nothing. I feel like jumping out of a plane.
Oh, no way. You're going skydiving, huh?
I am.
Yeah? All right. Any special reason why?
Actually, it's my 1-year anniversary.
Well,
my husband surprised me.
There you go.
with
Very cool.
Jumping out of a plane. This is either going to end really well for me or really well for him.
Yeah. Well, congratulations on the 1 year.
Thank you.
So, are you nervous?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, my legs are a little
Yeah, yeah.
giraffe-y.
All right, and you're jumping with my girl, Lauren, right?
Yeah.
You know what? She'll take good care of you.
I hope.
Oh, yeah. So, are you ready?
I am ready. I am ready.
All right, have fun.
Yeah.
See you up there, okay?
Okay.
All right, thanks. Woohoo!
Acts like summer and walks like rain. Reminds me that there's a time to change. Since the return of her stay on the moon, she listens like spring and she talks like June. But tell me, did you sail across the sun? Did you make it to the Milky Way to see the lights all faded and that heaven is overrated? Tell me, did you fall for a shooting star, one without a permanent scar, and then you missed me while you were looking for yourself out there?
How was that, girl?
That was like nothing I've ever done.
Pretty
that's
cool?
for sure, yeah.
Yeah, would you do it again?
Probably not.
All right, if you did do
No.
it again, would you do it with my girl Lauren there?
I would. She was amazing.
Hey, Lauren. Nice one.
Good one.
Yeah. Hey, we'll see you next time, okay?
Yeah, thank you.
All right, thanks. what I'm talking about. Woohoo!